Actually, what the main session is about is to locate problems, sensations, feelings, way of thinking, way of behaving, and just confirm or maybe not confirm them in a way that this is not right, and then give a substitute of what the feeling is in the client. The next point is filling up with new, clear, uncoded energy. I call it uncoded because people are afraid of sometimes having a thought of alien energy coming into our body and mingling with our system. This is absolutely not coded from the beginning. So it will adjust itself to our system, and then it's ours. It's not anything else. And it would push out anything bad in the body. It will conceal places, physical areas with pain, health issues and stuff like that, and dissolve it from the inside and push it out of the body again. Sometimes you can feel or see as a healer that these spots are moving up the body like black steam or smoke, and in this stage of the healing we have to be very aware of the push, or the pressure inside the body of the client can be a little bit too much once in a while, because everything is being pushed up the body. So many clients have a little bit of pressure feeling from inside the forehead, and we deal with that in a very easy way, because I let my finger barely touch the head and say, right here there's a valve. So if the pressure is too high, the valve would ignite itself and the steam will come out with no problem whatsoever. So everything would just leave the body with no problem. Okay? Anything bad will dissolve and get out of the system. So I also tell my clients to imagine themselves as a bottle with no water in it. And what I'm doing is filling this bottle up with water. And when you have a sensation of the water reaching this point, you just say stop to me. And what I picture myself from inside and the energy I'm visualizing is very light, golden, warm water filling up, starting with the feet and all the way up through the body. Sometimes it can stall just a little bit or freeze up. That's alright, because most likely that area is one area we've just been working on with the healing. So it needs a little bit more attention than maybe another part. So that's very normal. And sometimes I got the feeling that we reach this point in just a matter of seconds. Maybe the client is a bit don't know if that can be true, and then it's okay for me to ask if the sensation is right. If it is, the healing is done. And we don't need another healing the next very long time, because if the client is able to work with it and don't break down the system in any conscious way, it will last forever, actually. Are you ready to fill up the system? Okay. I always prefer to stand, because it's just like being at the gas station and you're filling up from this point, and that's exactly the picture I got inside of my head. I'm filling up from this point and just pouring this golden white water into the body, and just cleanses out everything. Are you ready? I would like for you to take a deep breath, and when you exhale, I will start filling up, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. And we're not quite done yet, because we just need one last thing to do. Actually two. In the beginning we started by measuring the energies, and in the beginning, if it's a new client who hasn't been receiving any healing for maybe the whole life, this energy measurement could be like feeling on a rock. Actually, it's got cavings, got scars and stuff like that, and it feels maybe very thick or very pulsating. When the healing is done, the sensation should be like a soft, silk-like feeling, energy which is able to be worked with, so you can push it, you can form it, mold it just like you want, and that should be the right feeling of the energy. And the feeling right now is good, it's okay for me. And the last step is to close down the client, because we open up from the beginning and right now we have to close them down. So this spot in the neck, I use 2 or 3 fingers and very quietly move them clockwise, round and round. We have a little bone in the back, just 1 inch above that. I do this feeling, this movement with my hands, and when I get this knowledge, this feeling that everything is done, that's all right, we're done, the healing is done. And this short healing is way more powerful than maybe old techniques where you have to lie down on the table for an hour, hour and a half. This builds up the energy from inside of the client. Okay, how do you feel?
Relieved.
Relieved, that's good. So this is it. This is a short demonstration of the level 1 Siddha healing. And remember, this is not a manual or guide, so you may not be able to perform this at home, because what you need as a healer is an opening, introduction to the energy, to be able to handle it also. So this was a short demonstration, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.